What if I told you wisdom can never be replaced by AI? It's a human experience, crafted through our struggles and triumphs, shaping our very existence. The ancient Stoics knew that wisdom isn't just knowledge, it's the application of that knowledge in our lives, through challenges and personal growth. Most people get this wrong. They believe technology can replace the human quest for understanding. But wisdom is uniquely ours to cultivate. In the AI age, we often rely on technology to provide answers, but many forget the need for intuition and historical context in our decision-making. The problem arises when we stop questioning our tools. AI might have all human knowledge, but interpreting it requires our own insight. Relying solely on AI can lead us to misconceptions, teaching us only what it thinks we want to hear, rather than the truth we need. As Marcus Aurelius advised, we must differentiate between what we can control and what we cannot. Wisdom lies in the former. Seneca warned against distractions. In our fast-paced world, we need to focus on genuine learning rather than quick fixes. Navigating this modernity requires a strong foundation of historical knowledge. Only then can we make informed decisions and recognize patterns. Practical wisdom comes from experience and understanding our past. Embrace the journey of learning. It's where growth truly occurs. Engage with your community. Sharing perspectives enhances your growth. The Stoics believed wisdom thrives in dialogue and shared experiences. If this ancient wisdom is resonating with you, a simple thumbs up helps these teachings reach others who might need them today. Embrace challenges, for they are opportunities to refine your understanding. It's in the struggle that wisdom is often born. The wisdom we cultivate today prepares us for tomorrow's uncertainties. Embrace the lessons life teaches through trials. As we stand on the brink of technological advancement, let us not forget our human essence, the wisdom in our hearts and minds. Wisdom is not a destination, but a journey, intertwined with our experiences, choices, and the ability to perceive truth amidst noise. In conclusion, harness your wisdom, for it's irreplaceable. Utilize technology, yet remain rooted in your experience and intuition. Remember, AI may provide answers, but only we can grant ourselves wisdom. Seek knowledge, reflect deeply, and let your life be your guide.